Emo with the monster.
Alright, Emo has a monster. Nice and easy, buddy. Keep on. He's staying deep with it.
You said you want to net him on net.
You try net him wherever side he goes to.
Okay.
Oh, it's going again.
We should have reeled that in. Should have got that out of there. No better.
Maybe the fish have it.
Don't give it quite so much slack on the way down.
What do you mean with giving a slack?
Don't straighten up that rod too much.
Okay. That's easy, buddy. Oh yeah, it's a giant. Come on, when you get close, you got to get his head up to you, buddy. You see him, Dad?
Yeah. Nope. Yeah, it's huge. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You see the size of that thing? I love that. You guys are still excited of that.
Look at the size of this thing. Oh. I'm giving it more gas so it gets behind it. You got a fish on this one, I think, too.
Dad, I need it.
Hey, give me that.
Oh, it's weird.
Sorry, but you know what this song is, guys?
This song is awesome.
The monster. During the fish song.
Running away again. Try not to lift up too hard. Just slowly down.
Don't bring that rod up too high.
Right there.
Extend that net out a little. Wow!
He's not dead.
Got it.
That's Salmon.
Wow, look at that. That is an absolute monster.
Monster.
That is 25 plus.
Yeah,
I don't know if there's a fish on that one or not.
I just saw this down.
Oh,
That is a giant.
Wow,
that's
that could be 28 pounds.
28-pounder. Hey, buddy. So what do you think, man?
Oh, your arms. During the fish song. The fish song is on. Timo, do the fish dance. Fish dance song. Come on, look at me. Look at me.
Fish
Come on.
dance with a giant.
Come on.
This is a giant. That's a giant. Oh my gosh.
I think we could pack it up and go in right now.
The biggest fish for your ever.
This will
How
be.
close the fish, Timo?
I don't think your.
What a giant.
I don't think your friends are gonna beat you now.
Yeah.
I think you
Timo.
could. I think you
Time
can
out.
say. You can say that to your friends and be like, now what? Show me now what you got.
Time out, Timo.
What do you have now for me? Good job.